Today we're gonna actually bring a meat grinder. If you guys can see it, it's pretty large and tall, and it's all stainless steel. This is not dishwasher safe, so you're gonna have to wash it manually and put vegetable oil prior to setting it up, to putting it away. If you guys can see, we have different attachments in here. If you're gonna make sausages, they come with 3 different sizes, and all you have to do is buy the casings and the meat that you need to put in there and pretty much set it up. So they give you 3 different sizes for the casing itself. Now, this is the original one that comes included with it. First of all, different sizes of the type of meat that you're gonna be grinding through. And if you guys can see, this is actually a smaller one, and then this is a larger one here, a triangle one. And then, of course, for the different attachments, these are the actual converters that you're gonna require too. So this thing not only does meat grinding, but you can also actually buy attachments to make your own pasta at home. If you guys can see, this is all stainless steel, including the blades, including the inside, the internal, and including the actual cover itself. So there is an on and off, and then there's a reverse, of course. Now, one suggestion, it tells you instructions here how to set it up. I would suggest maybe keep this sticker here because it gives you a okay and a not okay how to set this up. So, and this is heavy duty. We're talking about a couple pounds, and it's all stainless steel. Oh, just to let you guys know, there's suction cups underneath of it, so in case you have to move it around. Can you move the meat around a bit? Wow. They did a good job. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.